Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error 0xc00005 in Windows 11 and 10. If you are also facing such type of error message in your Windows 11 system, then here are the process to fix this issue. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes. In command prompt Windows, first execute this 3 DISM tool one by one. In command prompt Windows, DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt Windows, this 3 DISM tool. Don't forget to press enter after each entry, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete or follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic. Open Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. There may be a possibility of any memory related issues. So here check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information as stop working. So restart now and check for problems recommended. Choose this and it will restart your system, and after restart your tools will run and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side, go to privacy and security. From the right side, click on Windows security. Here choose scroll down and choose app and browser control. Click on it, a new window will open. Here scroll down and you will find the option exploit protection. Exploit protection is built into Windows for help and protect your system. Click on it and here scroll down and data execution prevention. Click on a small arrow and choose off by default. So first choose on and thereafter choose off. After your work completed, don't forget to turn back on exploit protections. So turn off and on Windows exploit protection in your system. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfig, msconfig, and click on OK. This will open system configuration windows in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Clean boot your system. This process is called clean boot your system. Choose disable all and thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. All your startup apps in task manager will visible here. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. If any found, simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps. Manually disable all your startup apps enabled in your system. Choose disable. Thereafter, close the windows and disable all startup apps enabled in your system. Close the windows and choose apply and OK to save the changes. And restart your system and check your issue definitely be resolved after restart.